to my channel. I hope you guys are great. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed my friend's hair from basic to baddie. You know, apparently it's just curly crochet braid that she loved in the end. If you want to see how we got on with it, keep watching and let's get started. So here is my braid pattern. I had done the first row and onto the second one before I realized that I haven't taken a clip, but basically this is my foundation cornrow. So as you can see, we have gone halfway through, and we're approaching the front pretty much. The hair didn't take long at all. It only pretty much took me an hour and maybe a couple minutes, you know, but this is how far we've gone so far. Onto the front, I wanted to show you a close clip of what I did. Basically, we had two different color tones. I'll put the descriptions of the hair that we used on the information box below, just in case you want to check that out or you want to try it out. I think it's model glance, I think, bohemian curl, and the other one as well was, I think it was after something like that, water wave, something like that. But yeah, I'm showing you how I was not in it. So here's a closer look of what I've done so far and how much I've got left. So onto the front again, I wanted to give you a closer look at how I was obviously interlocking it and knotting it so that it will stay put, because this hair was a little bit slippery, even though it's of kinky texture or, you know, look, it still was a little bit, you know, silky and slippery. So you need to pretty much take your time to knot it properly, or else it will come loose. So obviously this is the front bit as well, so I had to pick the hair, the pieces of the hair that are needed for the front as small as possible. That way I can make it obviously look fuller, because she likes her hair fuller, and also be able to stay put, because if you take big chunks, it sort of like doesn't stay put for some reason. So if you want it to stay put, you definitely have to like take small chunks, small sizes, so that when you crochet in, it will stay put and it will look seamless and kind of obviously look pretty much natural as much as possible. So that's what I did here. As you can see, there's not long left now and we're nearly done. Yep. And there was quite a lot of hair left as well. So this is like the last few beads left, and yes, we're almost done. I am quite relieved, because yeah, it's been a bit of a pain standing on my feet, because I do have this bad back. I mean, this is TMI, but you know. But yeah, finally the hair looks pretty good. You can't actually see the seams. It's quite seamless and it looks really nice, and she's happy. So yeah, happy days. So at the beginning of the video, she didn't want it long. She wanted it to be like a short, you know, like a bob afro kind of look, if you know what I'm on about. So that's what I'm going for right now, trying to trim it to the shape that she liked. And yeah, getting there slowly but surely, and cutting off unnecessary bits. Yep. So there you have it. Just at the back doing the finishing touches, just making sure that everything looks a-okay before, you know, we're finished. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and thumbs it up. Share this video. If you're not already subscribed, please do so, because I've got so many new videos, so many great ideas I want to share with you guys, so you can keep up to date if you like what you saw on my channel. So yeah, do so, and Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video pretty soon. Do have a lovely day, and God bless you. She's loving it already.